How to fix WhatsApp verification code in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so if you have the problem of verification code not received on WhatsApp, this video is gonna help you a lot. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here, and then all what you have to do now is just go to the apps, and after that all what you have to do is go to the WhatsApp. Now here on this page you will find all the app informations. So all what you have to do is go to the notifications management and make sure to enable all the notifications, and after that go to the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, especially the SMS one. Now click here on force stop and reopen WhatsApp, and the verification code must receive it. Don't forget to like and subscribe.